Unconventional uses for wood scraps open the door to a world of creativity, sustainability, and practical beauty, transforming what many consider waste into purposeful, inspiring home organization pieces that elevate everyday living. When we explore these overlooked fragments, tiny cutoffs, uneven planks, irregular shapes, and weathered remnants, we begin to realize that they hold far more potential than their modest size suggests. In the hands of a thoughtful creator, these pieces become the raw ingredients for stunning organizational solutions that add character, warmth, and structure to a home. This approach challenges the modern habit of discarding anything imperfect or leftover, replacing it with a mindset rooted in resourcefulness, intention, and emotional connection. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. Makers soon discover that scraps encourage innovation. They push the imagination into new territory, prompting fresh design ideas that larger, perfect pieces of wood could never inspire. As a result, an entirely new realm of functional decor emerges, simple, clever, and deeply meaningful to both the creator and the homeowner who welcomes it into their life. In many homes, organization is no longer just about storage. It is about crafting an environment that supports clarity, calm, and a sense of personal identity. Scrap wood becomes a powerful tool in this mission because it brings texture, authenticity, and an organic warmth that mass-produced organizational items rarely achieve. A small offcut can evolve into a minimalist key rack that provides daily convenience. A collection of uneven pieces can seamlessly transform into floating shelves that turn blank walls into curated displays. Narrow strips of reclaimed wood can be shaped into desk organizers, remote holders, mail sorters, or decorative trays that blend beauty with practicality. The charm of these creations stems from the rawness of their origins. They carry history, character, and visual richness, turning simple organizational accessories into works of art that tell a story. Homeowners feel drawn to these pieces because they offer more than functionality. They introduce handmade detail, natural personality, and a conscious nod toward waste reduction, making each item special rather than generic. As creators experiment with unconventional uses for wood scraps, they often find themselves stepping into a more mindful and imaginative design process. Working with limited material forces one to think differently, testing new shapes, unexpected joinery methods, and inventive combinations that might otherwise go undiscovered. This constraint fosters originality. The rough edge of a cutoff might inspire a rustic coat hook board. Uneven blocks may become geometric wall organizers. Thin slabs can turn into decorative dividers or spice racks. Even the smallest remnants can evolve into cable holders or jewelry displays. The joy lies in discovering how each piece, no matter how insignificant it seems, can serve a purpose that enhances the daily life of the household. It also allows creators to build their design confidence. Scrap-based projects are low risk, meaning mistakes become lessons instead of losses, encouraging experimentation and the development of personal style. Beyond creativity, the transformation of scrap wood into organizational decor aligns with today's cultural shift toward sustainability and conscious living. People are seeking ways to reduce waste, invest in meaningful craftsmanship, and bring natural materials back into their homes. If you're enjoying today's video so far, Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. When homeowners learn that their organizers, shelves, or holders were made from reclaimed scraps, resources saved from the landfill, it adds emotional value and a sense of responsibility to their space. These items become symbols of thoughtful consumption and intentional living. Makers who sell these scrap-based creations also benefit from this shift, as eco-conscious buyers are willing to pay for items that support both sustainability and artistry. Whether sold at markets, online shops, or directly from small studios, functional scrapwood decor appeals to those who want items with authenticity, purpose, and a handmade charm that mass production cannot replicate. Equally important is the financial accessibility. These projects offer both creators and buyers. Scrapwood is often free or extremely inexpensive, making it one of the most profitable materials for small-scale woodworking businesses or hobbyists looking to earn extra income. A pile of leftovers from a larger project can generate multiple small items that sell quickly due to their practicality and universal appeal. Wall hooks, desk accessories, charging stations, spice shelves, and entryway organizers are always in demand because they solve everyday problems while adding style to a home. For creators, this means turning minimal investment into meaningful income, all while refining skills and reducing workshop waste. For buyers, it means gaining access to custom-crafted, sustainable decor at a price that feels accessible and fair. What makes unconventional scrapwood uses so compelling is the emotional resonance they carry. Each piece invites people to pause and appreciate the value in things once overlooked. A simple organizer handcrafted from mismatched scraps reminds us that beauty does not require perfection. Creativity thrives in imperfection. Homes become more personal when filled with pieces made from materials that would otherwise be discarded. Items born not from abundance, but from care, skill, and mindful intention. These creations encourage slower living, conscious consumption, and a deeper connection to the spaces we inhabit daily. They become small but powerful reminders that transformation is both possible and beautiful, whether in materials, in design, or within ourselves. Exploring unconventional uses for wood scraps is far more than a woodworking technique. It is a philosophy of making, a celebration of resourcefulness, and an invitation to view creativity through a new lens. It proves that even the most unassuming materials carry the potential to become something purposeful, functional, and visually captivating. As creators continue to experiment with scraps, they help reshape modern interior decor, offering homes not only organization, but also warmth, personality, and a story worth sharing. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.